didn't even answer for another day. I told you to do something not to that. Wow, I got one. No.
Nkechi, I don't talk to people who go about begging for 3,500 naira like you. Hey, come back here! What did I hear you say? Nkechi, you heard me right, Nkechi. Who is begging? Were you not begging and screaming before my guy came to your rescue? Were you not? Were you not? And he even added an extra money on top of it. Hey, come back here. I will show you this village. I will tell you that there are girls among girls. Hey, Nkechi, you not fall into my class. See who is talking about class. Just take a look at me. Ijoma. Assam Pete. Village champion like. Hey, Nkechi. Me. Come on. I will beat Nkechi. Nkechi, I will beat you. Nkechi, I will beat Nkechi. Nkechi. Stop this now. What is this? I will beat it. Let me over you girl. I will beat it. Okay, it's okay. Please. Nkechi. Take your time, Nkechi. Ijoma. Enjoy your Nkechi. Please. I will deal with you. Try me, Jabi. You want to try me? I will deal with you. What has been with you, girl? I want to get good luck.
Where are you going dressed like this?
We have an appointment.
Appointment with whom?
Appointment with the chairman of the local government of this our community. Yes, Papa. The local government selected Ogu and I for scholarship. You know, we're very, very brainy. Yes, Papa.
Yeah, brainy. Akabog. What was supposed to be leader of the graduate elected this my house? Woman, show us the boys that have been selling yams to you.
The two of them! Marry them! Akabog, what is going on?
Nkuma, talk to me. What's happening? We caught her with stolen yams, and she said she bought them for your son.
Ogu, Carlo, is it true? No, they are lying.
Then who sold the yams to her?
I don't know. Hey! Ogu, I remember. Hey, Papa, you remember that very day we told you we saw armed robbers on our way to the farm? Hey, Dina, I remember. Yes. Okay, Papa, yes. This woman, she was the gang leader. No, it's a lie, it's a lie. It's a lie, it's a lie. She's not a lie. It's a lie.
Grace, do you see your children? Do you see what they are turning into?
Come on. They haven't said that the one that sold the yam to the woman, huh?
Do you need a sister to tell you your children are lying?
Hey.
I don't have time for all this. We are taking these boys to our camp for interrogation. All right, pick them up. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Move. Send them away. Send them away. this is where you spend your night. Any funny movement, you're in trouble. The whole place is surrounded. Criminals.
Why has Papa abandoned us like this? Just to suffer. We're not supposed to be suffering like this. What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Why has Papa abandoned us? Was it not because of you, your mother, to have been beaten like this? Oh, please learn their lesson. If they will cut my neck because of this, my love. Sister? Are you like a sister? Yes, it be so. Look at this idiot. I'll slap you now. Stop it.
What is it?
See, it's part one. Who knows what these blessed people are doing to my children? Eh? Why don't you want to go and tell them? They are our kids. The only ones we have now.
Tangela, watch here. Is that why you are disturbing me? Huh? I have never been to that vigilante camp. And I will never go there because of these useless children. Don't listen to me, let me speak.
Please, please.
Allow me to speak.
Do it for my sake, please.
Will you give me something?
Please. Please, Mama.
Let me get there for you.
Please. Please, Mama.
Dear Carlo, it's been days now and I have not heard from you. Not even a word. I really need to get the money I asked for before leaving for school in a month's time. Except you don't love me again. I have enclosed another list in this letter just in case you have lost the first one. Your love, Ijoma.
Aji, don't tell me you are this heartless.
What do you mean, Rose?
I told you I heard that Carlo and his brother have been arrested by the vigilante. Yet, you are busy making financial requests from him.
See, let me tell you, Rose. Carlo is the only one that can stop me from making any kind of demand from him. Okay? Besides, did he tell you that I'm the cause of his problem?
No, he did not.
Then hold your peace. Okay? Hold your peace. Or you like giving me to somebody.
Grace! 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 Didn't you hear me call you? Huh? Where's my food? I said, where's my food? You have even locked up my kitchen?
Since you have abandoned my children to die in the cell, there will be no food in this house. And both of us are going on hunger strike until they are released.
Otangele Mochie. Is that how you put it? Otangele. Grace, I can see you are playing with fire. And if you're not careful, that fire will consume you.
Akabogu, I can see you playing with water. And if you're not careful, that water will drown you.
Otangele Mochie. Therefore, prepare for me. Get ready for me!
No food in this house. Yes! No! Yes! Go and get my children for me! Go and get them for me! Get my children for me! Yes! Stop it. Allow me to have some rest.
No one can stop me from loving my EJ.
Look at this idiot.
It was only a dream.
What dream?
I dreamt that.
Hey! You better start dreaming of my wings. Consider yourself lucky. If not for skill, who begged your release, you would have spent the rest of your life here.
Hey, Skip, where is he?
For you.
Thank you, sir.
I said tomorrow. Are you there?
Jesus Christ. Just a few days I went back to school to sort out some few things. Oh my God. What really happened?
Was it not this fellow that went and promised to pay just for that thing he calls his girlfriend? You know my EJ thing? Look at this book. What is she? Research. She's an inanimate object. Hey! You're an inanimate object! Yes, this is a remote from that. Now it's a love second or what? Yes! No.
Is he paining you? Sorry. Is this not Ijoma?
Jim?
Mm-hmm.
Ijoma, where is she?
No, look at her this way.
Jim?
Hey, Carlo. Hey. Carlo, where have you been now?
Fine.
I miss What is this, Carlo?
Nothing.
Oh. What is this now?
Just that your fingers are electric shock on my body.
Me, I don't understand you.
No, my body is reacting to your love. Yes.
Oh boy, let's go now.
Carlo, wait, I have
Let me meet my dad.
This is the thing that I need from you.
I'm expecting your reply. You.
You will hear from me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye.
Let me see what she did. Cream and soup, 1,500. Top and trousers, 2,000.
Where are we going to get the money?
Chain and the earrings, 1,000.
Stop it! You're reading my love letter to the village.
Does it really matter?
Yes, it matters. I think this is very mad. You got this national budget, a love letter. Leave it, you're jealous. Just leave it for me. You think I'm jealous? Yes, I'm jealous and because of you I went to jail. You said jail? What is it? Is it a makeup? I'll slap you now. Is it a makeup? Okay, she said I'm jail. Okay, let me keep Betty. Betty, you go back to jail again. Me? Yes, alone. Don't worry. Let's go.
How do you move?
No, don't worry.
Young prisoners.
My children are not young prisoners. They are not prisoners.
Eh?
Yes.
Oh. Do you even prepare a bucket for them? Eh? Let us organize red carpet reception for them. Then kill cow. Invite friends for our well-wishers. Then tell them that children who do not want to be useful to themselves are back. That's the way you should have done it. Eh? Grace. Grace. You are overindulging these children. You have killed them. You have spoiled them.
If that is what you're praying for, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen to my children. Yes.
The time it happens, I will tell you. I will say I announced it. I will say I told everybody. I broadcast it. It will happen. Otangele Mbochi.
Papa doesn't like us. Shut up. I know the cause.
It's not true. It's just that I've not given him food. Since you people left here. That means true. It's not true. Sorry. Sorry, I just forgot him. Sorry. Please. You Please. I don't remember it. Oh? No.
Oh, look, I'm leaving you. Look at the door. We are late. Oh, let us go. Yes, Carlos. Carlos. Okay. Oh, he has gone to the bank.
To the bank?
Yes, to tell someone.
Hey, are you sure to the bank?
Yes.
Okay. I can see you're going to school.
School? No. There's a law will finish our secondary school.
So why are you still on your school uniform?
Oh, this?
Yes.
Oh. You see, because we are clever, so our principal begged us that we should be, coming to school to teach this year the younger students now, so that they will, yes, and I should be wearing this too. We encourage them to be clever like us as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
I see.
we have even get admission into the university.
Really?
Yes.
I never knew that.
So
I thought you guys are still in secondary school.
it's so your fault. That's what people think. Yes.
So, which of the university now?
You go look at you where they ask. Look at you. Which one did you just get admission?
Okay. The name of my university is Unizik.
Oh, Unizik here. Yes. Oh, what is Uniwo?
Uni what?
Uniwo.
Which one is Uniwo now?
Oh, you don't know.
I've never heard of that.
Okay. See, let me tell you. You see, since the Igbos established University of Azikwe, which is called Unizik, the Igbos became annoyed. They said, how could they just stay there and watch the Igbos establish Uni Azikwe? Because of that, they established their own University of Awolowo, which is called Uniwo. But that's the best university in the whole Nigeria. The best. I don't know.
Okay, anyway. Please help me tell Carlo that I came here. Because I need to collect my replies to my letter.
Oh, letter?
Yes.
Oh, it was because of the letter that you went to bank now.
Okay, if so, please help me tell him.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much.
All right, man.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, thank you.
All right.
All right. Let's go. Achigo, yes. So what did you tell? I told her that you went to the bank. She thought that we were still in secondary school. So what did you tell? I told her that you've gotten admission into the university. And in case she asked you, the name of our university is Uniwo. I still know what she was. You want to multiply my problem? Look at this food. Look at this food. Go. You don't know being in trouble. You're doing which? You're doing me a favor. You stood out in the university. Are you in the university? Did you go to the bank? Come, if it is like this, so look, I better delete myself from this note. Better. Oh, that should be better. Delete yourself. You come again. Advising Skido. Not like that, man. You guys should help me. Just help me with an idea. That's all I want. Look, I can never be a party to anything concerning you or that stuff. I said that. We know how I started. I just want to prove to this girl that I'm not a kid. You know that.
Carlo, you better leave this girl. This girl is dribbling you, Carlo. She is dribbling you.
Tell him, Skido. Tell him, you are wrong. Skido, you are wrong. You don't understand. This thing is my love. I saw it with her eyes.
Carlo, these girls I see every day in campus, I know how they behave. They will always like to use your brain.
Skido, this is not your campus girl. I know this girl very well. I told her. I know this girl. Skido. I'm leaving his own. You guys should just help me out. Just contribute one idea on how to get the money, that's all.
Which idea? Carlo, which idea?
I bet. I'll see you later. Mouth low.
Go to your school, man. You better change. Leave that girl alone. Leave that girl alone and concentrate on your school.
Kido, I bet.
I have told you. Who in this village is up to Nkuma?
Nobody.
Who can stand before Nkuma?
Nobody in this village, oh.
Is that not Ijoma?
I am the man. We talk about
Yes. I've been hearing about it, but I never knew that all powerful like
Just say yes, and the village is yours.
How can I refuse you now? How can? How can I refuse? How can?